the hen that laid golden eggs for grade 7. Once, a man had a very strange hen. It laid a golden egg daily. He sold the egg in the bazaar and got some money. He could get 1 egg daily. He thought that at this rate he would become a rich man after a long time. He was a greedy man. He wanted to become rich at once. He thought that the body of the hen was full of golden eggs. He killed the hen. And opened its belly to get all the eggs at a time. He found nothing except little balls. He repented over his folly, but it is no use crying over spilt milk. Moral: greed is a curse. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.